To use Stremio app on iPhone, firstly, go to your App Store, and then what we're going to do is search for VLC. Type in VLC, okay, the VLC player, just type that in. And once you get to this VLC media player, just install this on your iPhone. So once you install this player on your iPhone, once that's done, so now next what we're going to do is, so once you've installed this on your iPhone, so now open up your browser. Okay, go to your browser and then search for Stremio Web. Just type in Stremio Web. Type in Stremio Web, open up the first result, which is web.stremio.com. Just open it up and you'll get to the screen here. So now what you're going to do is click on the three dots for the options on your bottom. Click on it and hit on share. When you get to share, now what we're going to do is you're going to go and click on this option here, add to home screen. Tap on add to home screen. You can give a name, you can leave it as Stremio, that's fine. Hit on add. So now you get that Stremio on your home screen here. So what you're going to do, just tap on it, open it up. And once you open it up, logged into your account, go to your profile, which is on your top right there. Tap on your profile and then go to settings. Click on settings. And then once you're on your settings here, scroll down all the way down until you see advanced. Under advanced, you'll see an option play in external player. Just tap on it and then select VLC from the list. So click on VLC from the list. Once that's done, so now you can simply go and choose any movie or any video content and then start playing. It should play up on VLC play. And basically that's how you can use the app on iPhone.